Today's ingredients: lettuce, tomato, peppers, chili powder, onion, cilantro, salt, pepper, lime juice, olive oil, garlic, whole wheat tortillas, and chicken. We're going to start out with our pico de gallo, chopping up our tomato, pepper, and onion, adding the lime juice, pepper, salt, and cilantro. Then we're going to dice it up a little bit, give it that fine cut so it's all nice and pretty and then look good. Then we're going to go ahead and take that raw chicken, we're going to chop it all up. We're going to go ahead and stick it in the boiling hot water. We're going to let that cook for a little bit out and cut it up even smaller. Then we're going to go ahead and put that olive oil in the pan, put a little garlic in there, cook that up. And after we've cooked it up, we're going to place our chicken in there, pile on our chili sauce. From there, we're going to go ahead and add a little lime juice in there. Move that around and spread it all over. Then get and gather everything up and get it ready to serve. I got a little sour cream, ranch, and cheese. Thanks for watching today's episode of G.M.T. Chili Lime Chicken Tacos. And remember, if you want to see more episodes of Gamer Mealtime, remember to hit that like button for me or leave a comment down below to let me know. Peace, I'm out.